Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. The stock footage business is a thriving industry that involves the licensing and distribution of pre-recorded video clips or footage for use in various media projects. Companies and individuals create vast libraries of diverse video content, capturing a wide range of subjects, including nature scenes, cityscapes, people, animals, landmarks, and more. These video clips are then made available for purchase or licensing by filmmakers, advertisers, content creators, and other professionals seeking visual content for their projects. Stock footage offers several benefits to its customers, such as cost-effectiveness, time-saving, and access to high-quality content without the need for expensive and time-consuming productions. Additionally, it provides filmmakers and content creators with the flexibility to find specific shots that align with their creative vision. The business model relies on licensing agreements, where customers pay a fee based on the intended use of the footage, such as duration, distribution scale, and medium. As demand for digital content continues to grow, the stock footage industry plays a crucial role in meeting the visual needs of various media productions worldwide. Making money from the stock footage business can be a rewarding endeavor if you approach it strategically and with dedication. Here are some steps to help you start earning income from your stock footage. Build a high-quality portfolio. Invest time and effort in creating a diverse and high-quality portfolio of stock footage. Focus on capturing footage of popular and in-demand subjects, such as lifestyle, business, technology, nature, and travel. Ensure that your footage is well composed, properly exposed, and free from any copyright or trademark issues. Choose the right stock footage platforms. There are several stock footage agencies and online marketplaces where you can license your footage. Research and choose the platforms that align with your content and offer favorable terms and commissions. Some popular platforms include Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond5, and Getty Images. Understand licensing and royalties. Familiarize yourself with the different licensing options available on the platforms you choose. These may include royalty-free, rights-managed, and exclusive licenses. Determine the appropriate pricing for your footage based on factors like resolution, exclusivity, and usage rights. Keep in mind that some platforms may take a percentage of your earnings as a commission. Metadata and keywords. Accurate and relevant metadata and keywords are essential for making your footage easily discoverable by potential buyers. Be descriptive and specific when tagging your footage to increase its visibility in search results. Promote your portfolio. Utilize social media, your website or blog, and other online platforms to promote your stock footage portfolio. Networking with other filmmakers and content creators can also lead to potential collaborations and opportunities. Regularly update your portfolio. Continuously add fresh and relevant content to your portfolio. The more diverse and up-to-date your collection is, the more likely it is to attract buyers. Be patient and persistent. Earning money from stock footage may not be immediate. It requires patience, consistency, and persistence. As your portfolio grows and gains traction, you'll likely start seeing a steady stream of income. Consider exclusive deals. Some platforms offer exclusive partnerships, where you agree to sell your footage exclusively through their platform. In exchange, you may receive higher royalty rates and more exposure for your work. Evaluate the benefits of exclusivity versus non-exclusivity based on your goals and portfolio size. Remember that success in the stock footage business takes time and dedication. By consistently producing high-quality content, understanding your target market, and utilizing the right platforms, you can increase your chances of making a sustainable income from your stock footage. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.